So I wanted to show you how to add another class so it looks the same as class period 1 and class period 2 on the website. The first thing that you need to do is hit the page right here to create a page, and I'll just call it class period 3. And I'm just going to keep this as a website. We want to make sure that it goes up to the top level, so you just keep that the same and hit create. So you have the web page here right now, and to add to this page what you see for course competencies, course prospectus, homework assignments, and major summative assessments, we just have to do a couple of things. So right now we don't see what I just made on this top tab. There's an extra step that we have to do. We did create the page, but we don't see it up here. So what you need to do to get it up there is you have to go to that wheel, and you're going to choose Edit Site Layout. And this is called a horizontal navigation, and we want to hit Edit that. The next thing we're going to do is add a page, and you're going to look down here to the class period 3 that I just created, and we're just going to make sure that's highlighted and click OK. So now you see class period 3 is added to the list of pages that we'll see across the top. Click on OK. And I'm just going to close this and refresh it. And you see class period 3 is here. I can move this, and I'll show you guys how to do that after, but for now, we're going to go back here. And to get those other links within here, there's just a couple of steps. All right, so what you need to do to get what they're called subpages, you're going to add a subpage. We need to go to the editing tool. So that loads up, and you're going to insert a link. So from here, you're inserting a link, but what we're actually going to do is create a new page. You're going to want to click open this link in a new window and create a new page. And then I'm going to name this page Course Prospectus. And I want this to be put under class period 3 because that's where this is located. So that's already checked off, open in a new window, which I always recommend for subpages, and then you just hit create the page. And that just takes a second. Once that's created, you need to click on OK, and you'll see it right here, Course Prospectus, and it's linked to a new page. So once you hit save on here, you can open up that page, and that's where you can insert your course prospectus by adding a file. So that's how you do that. To add the other pages, you do the same thing. I'm going to go back to class period 3, hit the editing tool. I'm going to go to insert, link, and I'm going to make sure that give that a second to load. Create new page. I'm going to check off open this in a new window, and I'm going to put this under class period 3. I'm going to name this, I forget what else we had, syllabus or whatever that was, and create page. This will run. I need to click OK. And okay, so that just happened. If that happens, you can just hit return and hit save. And I'm not exactly sure how this got unlinked, but if this does happen, which happens once in a blue moon, and I'm not exactly sure why, you can just hit copy link address, go back to this course prospectus. We're going to hit the editor, and then I'm going to hit this hyperlink with a web address and paste what I just copied. So what I did to fix that, just in case you missed it, I just went down here and hit copy link address, highlighted the text if it became unlinked, clicked on the hyperlink and pasted it in. So I'll do that one more time. Hyperlink, web address, paste, and then OK. And then just have to remember to hit save. All right, so that's it. If you want to move these so they're more in order, you're going to go to Edit Site Layout. This will bring this back up again. This is the horizontal navigation, so you want to make sure you have horizontal navigation selected, and we're going to edit the horizontal navigation. And this is the order. So if I want to get that class period up, I just select it and I hit the arrows up to move it in place, and then click on OK. And that will move the order. And then when I'm done, just make sure you save. And that's about it. Good luck.